Hey gang, welcome back to Armcandy. This gorgeous piece of Louis has just gone live on the website and it is a gorgeous one. It's a Louis Vuitton Victoire, the monogram and noir, and it's in fantastic condition and it is just beautiful. It's got really gorgeous shape and structure to it. There's a link to buy this, to shop this on our website, but before you go, I'm going to just talk you through the features and the condition of this particular bag. So I'm going to start off talking you through the straps. It's got the adjustable ones where you can have it as a shoulder or a crossbody, or you can pull it up and have it half a length and have it as a nice shoulder. Beautiful hardware, and it's really comfortable. I usually prefer something that's leather, at least if it's chain here and then leather on the top, so that it's comfortable, because sometimes chains can dig in onto your shoulder. This doesn't. It's really comfortable. It feels nice on the body, and I think it's because, if I can come in and show you, it's soft. Well, it's not soft, it's metal, so it's hard. But can you see, I don't know if I can, how can I angle it? Just here, even the edges sort of seem curved, so they're softened, so nothing digs into you. It's a really nice, comfortable fit on the shoulder. Okay, so let's just show you all the way around. So you've got the base and the back, and we'll show you the sides as well. Okay. So it's a flat closure with this amazing clasp, absolutely stunning clasp, and it's a kind of push in, push up situation. So push in, push up, and we've got first of all Louis on the front, and this is the first little pocket. It's a nice neat little flat pocket. It's a gorgeous black microfiber lining, and inside you've sort of got three sections. There's the back section, the front section, and then the central zipped section. Okay. The Louis badge is just in there where my finger is. I don't know if that will show up very well. Okay. And the date code, there's a tag, I think it's inside the pocket. No, it's not inside the pocket, it's inside the back section, and it's just there. Now that definitely won't show up, so there's a picture of that on the website, but it's just in there for you. Okay. It's just gorgeous. Beautiful. I've already put it on the side, but let's do it again so you get an idea. The exact measurements are on the website, but to give you an idea, I'm 5'4" and a UK size 10. Okay, and I like a crossbody, so crossbody wise, that's what you're looking at. Okay, so condition wise, we've called the exterior good condition. There's nothing for me to show you particularly. There's just a few little tiny signs that perhaps somebody has used it a couple of times. But there's no marks, there's nothing for me to show you, you can just kind of see that. Bottom corners, all perfect, all excellent. Nothing to point out, good condition. The interior is in excellent condition, it's absolutely pristine. The hardware we've called good condition. Nothing really to point out, you can just see that there's been some wear. So just on the front here, there are some tiny hairline cracks. The camera won't pick them up. I'm fairly sure it won't pick them up because they're so small. But just a few hairline cracks there. And then on the underside of the clasp, some signs of wear. It kind of, there's two ridges here. So obviously, as soon as you start using it, you're going to get signs of wear on that. So we've only given that a good rating. But the inside is excellent and beautiful. It comes with the Louis Vuitton dust bag. And I think you'll agree. It's just so gorgeous, isn't it? I love it. So, there is a link to this on our website. If you go to my comments below this video, it will take you straight to this page. And then while you're there, you can have a look at all of our other pre-owned luxury bags, purses and wallets. And it's very important to remember while you're there to sign up to the newsletter, because then we'll send you a discount code that you can use on your first purchase. It comes straight into your inbox. You basically just scroll to the bottom of any page on the website, there's a little envelope box. stick your email address in there and we'll automatically and immediately send you your discount code. If you don't get it immediately, check the spam folder in case it's gone in there. And I think that's everything. Before you go, if you like the video, remember to like it, and if bags are your thing, then hit the bell. We have new bags coming in every day. You want to see what they are. You trust me, you want to see tomorrow's bag. So hit the link, hit the bell rather, so you get your notifications, and we'll see you back here for tomorrow's bag.